After succeeding in my quest to find the crystal flash drive of Mesopotamia, life returned to its former mundane interior window. All of my enemies have been vanquished and damned to the hell from whence they came. The only problem there begins that everyday tasks have become quite mundane and without direction. One direction, that all I have to keep from an overswelling of the first core, is the hourly consumption of condiments in between sliced members of bread, is all the way of the trash heap of Vagisil flaming, dying in pools of plastic manatees and scotch tape. Although once I was on a quest, my life has now become nothing more but a testament to witches of sand of witches and condiments used in an ever-changing rotation. I dropped my quarter.
How are you today, sir?
Pretty good, how are you? By the way, do you sell sandwiches here?
Sandwiches? Yes.
Okay.
What kind of sandwiches?
Meatloaf sandwiches.
No.
Okay.
No meatloafs.
Oh, well. Alright, I'd like to purchase this drink. No.
99 cents.
Thank you. Sir, do you have sandwiches?
I don't think so. I don't believe so, no.
Oh, okay, thank you for your time.
Alright, word.
Oh, guys, how's it going? You got any sandwiches?
No, we don't.
No, we don't have any sandwiches.
No sandwiches.
No, we don't have
have
sandwiches.
Oh, man. Thanks for your time, though.
Actually, I'm pretty excited about the project, actually.